5 databases, 10 pipelines, millions in compute costs, just to move data from point A to point B so your dashboard can render yesterday's metrics. Stop duplicating. Stop waiting. Enter Microsoft Fabric, built on OneLake, the single unified data lake for your entire enterprise. No manual exports, no complex ETL loops, one single copy of truth, serving every engine simultaneously. Traditional Power BI requires importing cached data sets. Fabric introduces Direct Lake. Your Power BI reports query massive OneLake Delta tables directly in memory, at full speed, with 0 data duplication and 0 refresh lag. Engineers run Spark. Analysts execute TSQL. Executives prompt Copilot in Power BI. Same data, same security rules, same workspace, operating concurrently without competing for capacity. Real-time analytics meets enterprise intelligence, from raw streaming data to interactive dashboards in milliseconds. That's not just business intelligence, that's Microsoft Fabric.